Are you on the hunt for the perfect hybrid sedan with superior functionality? Well, you've come to the right place. Take a look at this silver 2019 Ford Fusion Titanium Hybrid with blind spot monitoring, heated door mirrors, 18-inch aluminum wheels, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, Sync 3 communications and entertainment system, navigation, backup camera, SIRIUSXM radio, power sunroof, remote start system, dual zone temp control, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5399.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.